Hi guys, good morning everyone, and welcome back. Before we continue, don't forget to press subscribe so you will not miss any lesson. Now, we will learn properties of light. There are three properties of light, which is reflection, refraction, and dispersion. But now we will focus on reflection of light. Right, so this is a beautiful scenery, and actually this is example of reflection. So, when a light ray hits a non-luminous object, it is either reflected or absorbed. The light ray which hits the object is called the incident ray. The incident ray is the one that colored yellow in the picture. Okay? Then, after it hits the object, the light ray will bounce or it will be reflected. The reflected ray is the one that colored red. Okay, so between the incident ray and the reflected ray, there is a blue line. Those blue line called normal. We can do experiment using a flashlight as the light source and also a mirror. Please remember that the first law of reflection is incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. And then the second law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflections. So this law only occurs on the regular reflection. So this is two types of reflection. The first one is regular reflection. So regular reflection only occurs at smooth surfaces like mirrors and also polished metals. So the law of reflections happens here, right? But the other one is the diffuse or irregular reflections. You know that the difference is the scattered of the reflected rays. The incident rays not coming in the same direction because the surface is uneven. Okay, then we goes to the image. There are two types of images, real images and virtual images. Real images is image created with rays of light actually passing through them. For example, is the cinema screen or in the theater screen. But virtual images is images that create with rays light do not actually pass on them. For example, like our picture in front of the mirror. That is virtual images. We cannot capture a mirror image on a screen because it is virtual image. But using this ray of diagram, this is the example of the virtual image like the picture shown here. So we can locate the images that created from the plane mirror. Okay, then we go to the properties of image in a plane mirror. We have four characteristics. The first one, the image will as far behind the mirror as the object is in front. So the distance of the object in front of the mirror with the distance of the image is the same, right? Then the second, the same size of the object, and that it is virtual, it cannot be produced on a screen, and it is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means your left side will become your right side in front of the mirror, and your right side will become the left side in front of the mirror. That's the meaning of laterally inverted. Then one more characteristic, the image will be upright. That is also additional of the characteristic of a plane mirror image. Right? So far, any questions? I hope you understand with the explanation. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.